Hello everyone, this is Samsung soundbar HW-B750F 5.1 channel soundbar with 6 speakers, 400 watts audio output with a subwoofer. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this gear with your TV via Bluetooth. Switch the soundbar on, then select Bluetooth button for your remote. It will show you BT pairing. Looking for available Bluetooth device, switch the TV on, select TV settings using the gear button, then scroll down to the sound out. Use down arrow button, go to sound out. The sound out is showing us TV speaker. You need to select on the sound out, use the center button to select on the sound out, then use right arrow button or left arrow button, go to Bluetooth device, then scroll down to device list, then select enter, and now it's searching for available Bluetooth device. B series soundbar is found, so select B series, go up and select B series. It's connecting. B series soundbar is connected. It will show you on the TV that is connected. It will also show you the TV details. You can select any program you want to watch. Go to YouTube channel, select YouTube. So this is the audio. And when it's in Bluetooth, you can increase the volume using the soundbar remote. Likewise, increase the volume using the TV remote. And this is the soundbar remote. So this is how to hook this up. Thank you.